Get acquainted with the 2006 Ford Explorer. With less than 250,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Answer the call to adventure in this Ford Explorer, the midsize SUV with a commanding presence and technology that lets you customize your driving experience. Whether you're towing, negotiating rough terrain, or simply cruising the scenic route, this can-do vehicle infuses every excursion with confidence. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, fog lamps, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, alarm, power driver seat, leather steering wheel, traction control, intermittent wipers, passenger vanity mirror. Count on Explorer to make your adventures all they can be. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.